Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change your Audi A4's engine oil and filter. Before we begin, it's crucial to prepare. First, gather all your tools and new parts including fresh oil and a new filter. Make sure your engine is warm but not hot, so the old oil drains easily. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective glasses and gloves. Finally, lift your car securely using a jack and place it on sturdy jack stands. Now that your car is safely elevated, let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, usually at the lowest point of the oil pan. Place a large drain pan directly below it to catch the used oil. Carefully remove the plug and let all the old oil flow out. Once drained, clean the area, install a new crush washer on the drain plug and tighten it to 22 foot-pounds. This ensures a proper seal. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. On many Audi A4 models, the oil filter housing is conveniently located on top of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove the old filter element. Clean the housing thoroughly and apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the new filter's O-ring. Install the new filter, ensuring it seats correctly, then tighten the housing to 25 Newton meters for a secure fit. Finally, let's add the fresh oil and perform our final checks. Refer to your Audi A4's owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity. Typically, you'll add around 4½ to 5 quarts of new engine oil. Pour it in slowly. After refilling, start the engine for a minute to circulate the oil, then shut it off. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Lastly, verify the oil level on the dipstick and top off if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.